A to Z animal's name. A for alligator. B for buffalo. C for camel. D for deer. E for elephant. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for numbot. O for ostrich. P for panda. Q for quokka. R for rhino. S for snake. T for tiger. U for urial. V for vicuña. W for wolf. X for xerus. Y for yak. C for zebra. Thank you. Take care.